2025 Borche Global Tours Shock Set Sail. The first stop, Dubai, invite you to participate. In the past year, Borche has participated in more than 20 exhibitions around the world with excellent products and technology. It highlights the strong strength of China's plastic machine industry. In 2025, Borche will start again. Arablast 2025 will become another important stage for us to explore the global market. We look forward to welcoming you to the Borche booth at Hall Arena A1 A24. As an expert of direct drive electric IMM, Borche showed the superior electric IMM BD160. Amazing appearance this time. With its original direct drive structure and 4-in-1 control technology, the BD series greatly improves transmission efficiency and response speed to meet diverse needs. This is Borche. 20 years of electric injection molding technology, innovation, crystallization, with its technology reaching the international advanced level and being the first choice for electric IMM.